Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to do a video on adding some spotlights to your lawnmowers or Gator or tractor or whatever. And okay, so we put spotlights on all of our stuff. So here's the time change went last fall. The sun was setting at 5:30, 6 o'clock. We're not exactly done. You know, we're working all summer, cutting lawns till 8 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night, whatever. And so, you know, we weren't ready, so we had to put some lights on this stuff. So the time change didn't mess us up on making money. But as you can see, we put them on our 636, we put them on our 920, our 950. We put them on the top of our tractor, put them on the front of our Gator. And if you look around the back, we also put them on the back because we figured out when we're backing up, we need to have light too. Okay, and then same thing with the Gator. Gator, we put them on the back, and we put them on the back of our tractor. Okay, so the good thing is they're only 25 bucks a set. They're very inexpensive, and it even comes with a little switch. Of course, I added an aftermarket switch. I'll show you, or not aftermarket, but one of their optional switches. But anyway, 25 bucks a set. If you want the optional rocker switch, it's another 9 bucks. But I found them on Amazon. They're called Nilights, N-I-Light, Nilights, and they come in all shapes and sizes and wattages. But I like these. These are LEDs. They're sufficient for the applications that I have them on. You can get them more powerful for more money, but this is sufficient. Okay, they come with the wiring kit and they come with a switch. This is a switch they give you. I don't like it. It's kind of hard to push, and they're red. Red to me means there's a problem. I like blue. So you can buy these switches here, and these you can get for, like I said, 9 bucks. These are rocker switches, and these fit into the John Deere punch out holes, which are already in your mower, your Gator, your tractor. As you can see over here, same thing. They already had knockouts for your front and rear lights, and also these light up blue, which is nice too. And same thing on your Gator. Okay, they just fit right in there. See, here's one. You just pop these little things out, and then you can put those other switches fit right in there. All right, now on this, here's your rocker switch for the 636. It did not come with a knockout, so we had to drill 4 holes. Then we used a Dremel tool, shave it on out of there, knock it out. Then we made our own hole, then put in the switch. Now here's the wiring that comes with it. It's got the wiring, all the plugs. It's got a little relay that's right here. Okay, and it should reach all your batteries except for this tractor. This tractor, we had to lengthen the wire to get up here to hook it to the battery. But other than that, the mowers, the Gator, everything had enough wiring to reach from the lights to the battery to the switches, and it's all supplied. So that's a good thing about it. So for 25 bucks, you're getting all the wiring, 2 LED lights. You're getting the little red switch, and then if you want to upgrade to the other switches, it's another 9 bucks. But we've had them on there about probably 4 or 5 months or something, and of course, you know, and we beat the crap out of our stuff because, you know, you're bouncing up and down all day long on your mowers. You're hitting bumps and stuff like that. So as you can see, they're on here. We just drilled some holes, put it on there, nut and bolt. They're on there, rock solid. You come around here, you can see that where we hooked up the wiring. This is our wiring right here, but here's our bolt right here. You can see that. Just drilled holes and nuts and bolts, you know, wherever you want them. And these up here, same thing. We just drilled some holes. So you can imagine the beating these mowers take every day, and the light bulbs have held up good. There's no problem. Pretty smooth on the tractor, it's pretty smooth on the Gator, but you know, these mowers, we do use them all day every day. And we got another mower too, but we didn't put lights on that one yet. But they've been sufficient. They haven't broken, they haven't went out, haven't blown no fuses, and they come with the fuses too. So they're really a a great value for all your stuff. As you can see, I'm a John Deere guy, so that's all only application I can share with you about that. But that's what I recommend if you want to put some spotlights on your stuff. So there you have it. There's our video on our spotlights for our equipment. And if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe, we'll have a lot more videos coming out.